How to fix an address incompatible with the requested protocol was used. Bluetooth error on Windows. Here are some tips you may try. 1. Unpair and pair your Bluetooth device. 2. Run Bluetooth troubleshooter. 3. Ensure essential Bluetooth services are running. They are Bluetooth, Bluetooth device monitor, Bluetooth OPEX service, Bluetooth support services. 4. Update Bluetooth drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Reset WinSock via netshare WinSock reset command, admin mode. 6. Delete A0CBF06CCD8B4647BB8A263B43F0F974 folder entry from HKey_local_machine /system/control/set/control/class/in registry editor. 7. Reset Bluetooth adapter via the Reset Network Adapters option. 8. Use USB Bluetooth dongle.